Why do cats freak out when they hear loud noises? I'm sure most of you have experienced this with your cats being spooked by a car honking or thunderstorms. Firstly, it's important to understand that cats have very sensitive hearing. Their ears are designed to detect high-frequency sounds at low volumes from far away. This makes them perfect predators in the wild, but the downside is that loud sounds are amplified and can be very discomforting for them. Due to their wild instincts, cats consider loud sounds as danger signals and they immediately go into survival mode. Their fight or flight response kicks in, and they usually choose to flee and hide until they feel safe again. To understand this behavior in a better way, think of it like this. Imagine you're taking a nap and someone suddenly blows an air horn close to you. You would immediately wake up and get startled, and your first instinct would be to run and hide. This is the exact feeling that cats get when they hear loud noises. They can't comprehend what's happening, and it's a natural reaction for them to get spooked and get away from the source of the sound. But it's not just the loudness of the sound that affects them, it's also the frequency. Cats are very sensitive to high-pitched sounds, so noises like whistling or screeching can be especially impactful for them. These sounds can cause a lot of stress and anxiety for them, and they might even start exhibiting physical symptoms like trembling or shaking. So, what can we do to help our furry friends? Well, there are a few things that we can do. Firstly, we need to create a safe environment for them. This means providing them with a quiet and cozy spot where they can retreat to if they get scared. Additionally, we can try to desensitize them to loud noises by playing them at a low volume and incrementally increasing it. This will get them used to the sound and help them cope with it better. I hope this video was informative and fun for you guys. Now you know why your cats freak out when they hear loud noises. If you have any more interesting insights or experiences to share, let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned for more awesome videos coming up on our channel.